Nokia has announced many regular phones for heavy duty, including the Nokia 3210-2024 phone, which we will talk about together through the video. We will learn about the specifications, the contents of the box and the price. Follow us to the end and let's get to the details. Welcome back. I'll start first. Date of announcement and release in the market. The phone was announced on May 7, 2024. It will be released in the market on May 7, 2024. Network: GSM, HSPA, 3G, LTE, 4G. Supports 2 nano SIM cards, dual standby. There is another version with a single SIM card. Dimensions: length 122 mm. The width is 52 mm. The thickness is 13.1 mm. The back and frame of the phone are made of plastic. The phone supports the headphone jack. It supports FM and real radio integrated into the phone. There are some fun games including the snake game. Screen specifications: the TFT type is 2.4 inches with QVGA quality with a resolution of 240 by 320 pixels and the colors are good. Software and hardware: S30 Plus system. The Unisoc T107 processor with 22 nanometers manufacturing technology, 1 GHz Cortex-A7. Cameras: the rear is 2 megapixel with LED flash and supports video shooting. There is no front camera. RAM and internal and external memory. The RAM is 64 megabytes and the internal memory is 128 megabytes. Supports adding an external micro SD card up to 32 gigabytes. Battery: the Nokia 3210-2024 battery comes with a capacity of 1450 mAh that can be removed and installed, and the Type-C charging port. Colors: black, gold and blue. The contents of the phone case. Phone battery shipper quick start guide warranty certificate. Priced $82. This is the global price of the phone. The price may vary by increase or decrease depending on the country or markets. So we have finished the video. I hope you liked it, and if you like it, do not skimp on our support. Click like, subscribe to the channel and follow us on Facebook. Goodbye.